Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 15th of February 2018. Okay guys, first of all, I was quite busy in the last few days and I was not able to post a review here. However, if you want to check the signals report, then you can just email me and you can ask for the previous data. And most of the time it happens that the signals were expired during the US session, and you know that I trade the Asian session. So normally I provide my review at the end of the Asian session. So that is why I am not able to give the analysis, because you know that I give my analysis as per the signals report, and if the signals are still valid and if they are waiting for the turns, so they sometimes they expire during the US session. Anyhow, it was a day for the scalping on the different pairs. Let's get started with New Zealand USD. So as you can see that little trades are taken because the market was very much tricky, and I have also highlighted this thing in the morning when I have sent the signals report that you need to be very careful, do not use the higher lot size, because I was looking a lot of deception in the market. So guys, let's get started with New Zealand USD with a bearish expectation from my side. 073862 was the entry, and guys, you can clearly see that today the market has taken a U-turn on New Zealand USD and it's down right from the entry. So guys, please note down, if it continues the bearish pattern, then the level is already drawn on the chart. It can go up to 073065. Overall, if we compare the price from the last few days, then New Zealand USD has already moved so much high, so it's not wise to buy the pair at these levels, so be careful with this. And now let's talk about a Great Britain pound USD trade here. Okay, let me switch my signals report to here. So guys, I have supplied the bullish signal. The entry was 140173. Pound was getting strong, and today I have supplied the bullish signal even when the price was so high, because if you look at the daily chart, then you will look at here that still the market is making a bullish pattern, and there are a lot of chances that this candle can also go bullish. So still, if we talk about Great Britain pound USD, it's completely in a bullish zone. But overall guys, if you have traded the signal, because the targeted price that I have given in my signals was 140713, and it has happened as predicted. Okay, now let's talk about USD JPY. So guys, a U-turn is taken on USD JPY. 106400 was the entry, and guys, you can clearly see that it has break the entry, and now USD JPY has taken a double U-turn also, and it's way up from the entry. So overall it was going down from many days, but overall this was not the normal rhythm of the market. I was expecting a recovery, and I hope so that the recovery will go further, and if it continues like this, then the targeted price on USD JPY can be 107402. Okay, AUD USD, this is one of the trickiest pair because today I have sent the caution due to this pair, and the rest of the pairs I'm going to talk about this. I have supplied the bullish signal because the technicals were talking about that it should go further high, because the price was also high. You know that sometimes you know that I give the data against my rule that you know that I normally talk about in my videos, that do not buy any pair when the price is already high. But now let me tell you why I have given the bullish signal here, and why there are chances to go further bullish from the same level. I'm talking about the level right from here, 079139. The reason is very simple. Now look at the daily chart here and look at the previous candle on AUD USD. It has a very good bullish candle was appeared, and guys, know that whenever such type of candles appears on the chart, and right now if you look at here, then the market is moving out from the oversold levels, and if you look at the monitor, it is also signaling us with a buy position. But what's going up here, because you know that this is the daily candle and it moves up and down, so hopefully there are a lot of chances that it look, for example, let's talk about this candle, previous candle yesterday. First of all, it also went down, it has made a bearish tail, and then it was closed bullish, and that's what I am expecting right now, that you know that first of all it was going up in the morning, and I have done scalping by taking a buy position and have taken a profit right from the entry, but then we have a drop. Now let's talk about this drop as per the signals, as per the daily candle. If you look at here, it seems like, as per I'm talking about this thing as per my experience, that it's just completing the bearish tail, and maybe at the end of the day, after we will look at the US session, it will close bullish like this, and maybe the size can be smaller than the previous one that happened yesterday. So right now, if we talk about AUD USD, it's in a completely bullish zone. And again, if it goes from here, then still the signal stays right from here, and the buy positions can be a very confident approach as per the trading system and even as per the trading analysis that I'm giving you right now. Okay, now let's talk about a losing trade on USD CHF. You know that I do not talk about the losing trades, but however, I'm just going to give a signal to you people so that you must understand that maybe this could be helpful during the US session. If today USD CHF breaks 0.92777, the level is already drawn on my chart, then guys, you can expect a recovery on USD CHF and the targeted price can be 0.93239. Just I am giving this level because you know that there are some US traders who also trade my signals during the late session, so this signals maybe this signal can work for them. Okay, now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar here. Okay, this was also a tricky signal from my side. So I was expecting a bearish signal, a bearish expectation during the morning. 124.822 was the entry, and right, I have taken the trade, and right on the same candle I have taken the profit because it was going down. But later on I have seen that the market started to make a bullish pattern, so that was not the normal behavior, because if we talk about the previous trend of the USD Canadian dollar, it's already down. Okay, now look at the daily candle. So why I have given the signal to sell the pair only on the basis of the daily candle, because if you look at here, yesterday the big candle appeared from the overbought levels and it was down, and it was supposed to go more down from these levels. But this is what we call that sometimes there are days where market movers take you towards another side and where technicals do not work. But however, guys, just note down the levels again, because if it takes the U-turn again, 124.822 is the entry on USD Canadian dollar, and still if it goes below that level, then it will be back into the bearish zone and the targeted price can be 1.24401. So I was lucky to close the trade in the morning, but those subscribers who have taken the sell position here and they have just left their trade to floating, so maybe I'm sure they must have hit the stop loss with no problems, because this trade was not fine. A very good signal from my side. Okay, now let's talk about the last signal of the day. I was expecting a recovery on pound. You know that the pound was going down from many days and it was going down, so I have supplied anti-signal. I went against the trend, bullish trend. 149261 was the entry, and guys, the result is in front of your eyes. The pound has already made a recovery today, and hopefully you people must have caught the profits on the pairs. Anyways, guys, I received some emails because you know that I was busy and I was not able to give the analysis. So they were asking that you only give analysis when you make profits, and this is blah blah. You know, whenever you feel such situation that I am not giving the signals, it means that I am busy, or the other thing can be this, that the market is not clear for giving the review. However, through email you can request for the previous reports and I can definitely send you the reports. Moreover, guys, as per the trading system, those traders who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain that whenever the market comes into the top red boundary, like you can see that on USD CHF, we have received a rejection. Whenever you see that from the top red boundary the market is getting a rejection, you can sell the pair, and whenever you see that the market is gaining the recovery from the oversold levels, like I'm talking about the trading system, you can buy the pair. Like look at here, from these levels the market is going up, and still if you look at here, there is a dotted line in the middle. Whenever the hourly candle closes above the dotted line, there are a lot of chances that the next candle can be bullish. I am talking about the next candle on USD CHF. So this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, guys, scalper is here to help you, which gives you signals in the form of red and white arrows. Like here it has given you a buy signal and it does not repaint and it moves up. It has given a buy signal, it moved up. So whenever you receive the buy signal at the overbought levels, then you need to ignore the signal. If you get the sell signal at the overbought levels, then this signal can stay valid. And moreover, the dotted line has a very good approach. Like I'm giving the live signal here, USD CHF is closed above the dotted line, so there are a lot of chances that the next candle can be closed bullish. So this is how we use the trading system when we ever trade. Moreover, guys, if you're looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get the trading indicator so that they can help you with your trading, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.